You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make these designer's pockets embellished with stone, and at the end of the video I will show you how to fix the stones and the type of stone that you should use for you to have the best results. In case you have not watched my previous video on how to make this particular pocket, I have placed the link at the end of this video, so you need to watch to the end of this video for you to get the best out of it. If you have not joined my WhatsApp group, I have dropped my link on the description box and also on the comment section. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscription button just right below this video, and if you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to the tutorial for today. The first thing you are going to do is to mark your fabric that you want to use for the pocket. I use the size of a ruler, that is 1 inch by 1 inch. You are marking this on the front side of the fabric, so you must use a white tailor's chalk to mark, because that is the only chalk that can easily be cleaned. The next you are going to do is to sew according to the lines that you have marked. You bend and sew. You are going to sew off something like 1/8 of an inch. That is just one calibration on a tape, not up to 0.25 of an inch. You will now sew along these lines. As you sew, make sure you push the previous lines to face one side. This one face this way, this is going to face the other way. This is to give it a more beautiful look. This is going to face this other way. As this faced backwards, this is going to face forward. We just have to do it in an alternative way. Please help me to like this video and also drop a comment. That is the only way YouTube algorithm can show it to more people for them to benefit from this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button just below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. If you observe well, you will see that the chalk is almost gone. That's why you should use white tailor's chalk. Now I'm going to iron it, and I've just done that. I've already cut my gum into shape. This is 4 3/4 by 5 3/4 inches. So I'm going to place it diagonally from the back and gum. I've just gummed it. The next thing we are going to do is to trim the edges off. I'm giving this allowance for folding, and we are trimming it right from the gum because we are going to pipe the edges. I've cut a strap. You must cut it bias, that is, it has to be elastic. You can make it 2 inches wide, but this is wider, and I'm going to trim it off later on. While sewing, you must maintain a specific distance around the pocket. You can now apply hemming gum and fold. I've just folded it. Next thing is to stone the pocket. Remember that the stone you should use is mercury stone. Mercury stone, when you fix it, it remains almost permanent on the fabric. It doesn't easily fall out, and apart from that, it glitters unlike other normal stone. You can use your picker to place them on the pocket, or you can use your hand to place them. After the placement, you can cover it with a piece of fabric and heat it with your iron, and our pocket is ready. Click on the banner showing on your screen to watch the next video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.